Hello, I'm Lala Biscuit, and this is a story of a cat and a bean. Original story written by Mama in 1976.
La-di-da-di, I'm a bunchy, I'm a bunchy, I'm a bunchy. Oh.
Eugene the cat, played by Paris the cat. Purple Bean as himself. Velour the bean was having a nice summer day. This is one of the best days this summer. Listen to the birds. Listen to that cat. A cat! I don't see a cat. And he went back to his sunbathing. Thought, what a nice day to have a stroll in the garden. So we had a nice stroll in the garden. But then he ran into Velour the bean. Just as Eugene was about to eat Velour, Velour said, "Please don't eat me. Let's be friends." So they were friends. Velour told Eugene about how he always wanted to be a famous singer. "I always wanted to be a famous singer, you know. But it never happened. I thought I was gonna become famous." And Eugene told Velour, "No, I secretly like to sniff things. I secretly like to sniff gross water. And I secretly like catnip. And I secretly love the outdoors. And I secretly..." Velour listened and listened and listened. Remember the moment when his life flashed before his eyes. And they ran off into the sunset.